Okay, sir. As there are so many speakers, there is a difficulty of time, I understand, and they contributed a lot to the subject. I would like to say a few points only as there is no time. The first thing is that the whole India is nowadays polarized, and not only communally, but in various ways also. So those who are not with us, they are against us. That is the whole scenario. That is the social scenario. And it is difficult to express our own views. And that is more worrisome than only communal polarization. Communal polarization is there. That is true. Caste polarization is also there. But opinion polarization, the idea of India that was for freedom, equality, liberty, and uh, and diversity. So we are not espousing the constitutional goals. So that is the main point. And I understand that all we have to introspect why this has happened. Hindus have also to introspect, Muslims have also to introspect, and then if the society is strong, the citizens are strong, then we can fight with the government of the day, politicians of the day. Nowadays, what is the problem? The politicians are enjoying full freedom and citizens' freedom is curtailed. They are not able to express their views. Interfaith marriage must be promoted. On the contrary, they are being hated, they are being harassed, and everything is like that. So even the media, recently in Times of India, Ahmedabad edition, we saw that vaccination is opposed by minorities. There was a headline like this. There are many people who are in confusion whether to get vaccinated or not. And they had the headline that minority is opposing the vaccination. So the whole India is polarized. Those who are not with us, they are against us. So let us try to re-inculcate the constitutional values, and then only the religion of citizen and human religion, this should be emphasized, and then the question of polarization will not come up. So unhealthy competition between the two religions and various religions has polarized the nation, and the dictatorial and undemocratic methods of the politicians and the government of the day has also polarized the citizens and had wide differences in the society. So on the eve of this Republic Day, let us try to inculcate the democratic values, and we have also to do much work. The Forum of Democracy and Communal Amity is not doing enough work, and other secularists and those who are concerned citizens have to work overtime if we want to save our democracy. Thank you.